Hey guys, I'm here with another video today, and I just came back from Walgreens and I got this Angry Bird thing. It's the back of it, it's the front of it, and I really like Angry Birds, and I'm really looking forward for the bomb one. And I have basically all of them besides the blue one and the bomb and the egg. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. So here we go. Holy crap, it is the bomb one. So here it is. It's the butt, it's the face, it's the back, pointy thing. And wow, does it tell you anywhere on here that you got it? That you know which one it is? I don't think it tells you anywhere. See? Wait a second. It doesn't tell you. So I'm really happy. And every time I get one of these, I'm going to do a video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, I'm a WWE fan. If you can see my room, it's my wall. A true Ziggler fan. And a Shield. So, you Shield fans out there, believe in the Shield.